Hi there, Math 7 students. My name is Mrs. Rustling and I'll be your math teacher this year. Together we're going to make this an incredible year. You are every bit a part of my class on the days that you are distance learning, whether full-time or in the hybrid model, as those kids who are in my classroom during the day and in person. The expectations of you will be the same as it is for those students in person. So what are these expectations, you might be wondering? First, you must attend math class every single day and submit the daily homework assignment on Google Classroom by 1 p.m. the following day. So what does it mean to attend class? Some students think that as long as they press the button on the video and let the video play that they have attended class. I'm here to tell you that that's not going to be enough. To learn math, science says that you need to engage in the math. You need to practice the math. You need to do the math. And so I'm going to help you with that. I would like to ask you to be ready for your lesson video with your note packet and a pencil. You're going to play the video that I post on Google Classroom each day. While playing the video, you need to hit pause frequently when instructed to in the video. You will then work problems and then resume the video. You will need to re-watch the video for clarification on any problems that you didn't understand or need to hear the explanation a second time. So what is this notes packet I'm talking about? Well, the notes packet is available to you on Google Classroom, or if you come to in-person class in the hybrid model, I have one printed for you. The last place you can access this packet is in the school office. There will be some extra copies there for those of you who are in the distance learning model and do not have access to a printer. Just swing by the office sometime this week and pick one of these up. So in your binder, you'll want to put this packet. The packet looks like this. There will be one for each chapter. The first page of the packet is the schedule of math. This will also be available to you on Google Classroom. You will see the date, the topic for each day, and the corresponding homework that is again due at 1 p.m. the following day. You will also be able to see when you should expect a quiz or a test to happen. For example, when I look at the schedule, I see that we have a quiz scheduled for September 23rd, and we have a chapter test scheduled for September 29th. You must take this test, even if it's a distance learning day. You must take the test on Google Classroom on the date specified, unless you have reported yourself as absent for that day. And then we will make accommodations between you and I separately. While you're working through the day's lesson, so for example, this is the lesson for the first day. You can see that I have the vocabulary and a spot for you to write the definition here. Here's your next vocabulary word, and then here are some of the problems that I will be working with you in the video, and you work them right here with me on your paper. We will go through some more, and then at the end of the lesson, it will tell you what your homework assignment is. It also specifies the homework right here, showing that this is the end of your lesson. Then you will stop, put this away, turn open to some loose leaf paper, which I don't have in here yet, and you will do the homework on that loose leaf paper and again submit it through Google Classroom. Now, the next expectation is that you would communicate with me. Especially in a distance learning or a hybrid model, it's much more difficult for me to know if you are struggling with your math homework or the math lesson. I am available every day between 8 and 9 a.m. to help you. You can email me and I can get a hold of you, or you can invite me to a Google Meet and we can talk one-on-one. I can work problems with you. You can show me your work and I can tell you where your error is, whatever you need. But every single day I am available for you. We will also be having a live lesson on Wednesdays. I will give you more information about that on Distance Learning Wednesdays only. So the first week that would be different because we don't have a Distance Learning Wednesday. So we'll give you more information about that next week. And lastly, I'm very excited to get to know you, and this is going to be a great year. So, and just like that, we're off to the 2020-2021 Math 7 school year.